বছরের মধ্যে আগে তো এই যে 2 বছর ধরে আমরা এই যে
We have lost our rice crops to floods for the last 2 years. We planted vegetables and the early rain damaged them too. Life is becoming very difficult. We have to buy food from outside now. We are spending our savings in order to survive.
Muhammad and Juleka have 2 bright children. Their oldest, Jahir Hassan, hopes to enter the university this year. To feed their family and keep their children in school, these parents are forced to sell their only assets, their cows, 1 each year. Now there are only 2 left. World Renew works with its partner Pari Development Trust to boost food security, in part by providing ducks. Ducks are similar to chickens in that they produce delicious eggs and meat, but unlike chickens, ducks thrive where there's lots of water. Ducks eat pesky weeds and fertilize fish ponds. Their eggs are nutritious, and extra ducks and eggs can be sold to provide badly needed income. We can't control floods, but with innovative additions to farming practices, such as raising ducks, we can help subsistence farmers like Muhammad and Juleka adapt to a changing environment. When you support World Renew's creation care work, it benefits farmers like Muhammad.